Also, no, not MTV Awards. MTV, as in, listen to this, right? So Jersey Shore, the show that I love, brilliant show, if you haven't seen it, The Situation. There's a new show being made, apparently, called Geordie Shore. Natalie's got more, Miss Mesa. Also, some Disney news in there, Matt Baker and The One Show, and also The Delicious, James Franco. Alex, would you please give that studio card back to Dev then? Because I've tried buying petrol and a Planet of Grapes for it, and it doesn't work.
As you can probably tell, it's a little bit foggy up here.
Zayn and I were joined by some of 2011's hottest acts, including White Lines, Sleigh Bells.
We have a gate.
Jamie Wood.
Everybody have fun?
I think we just eat it. I think it's head or belly.
No, I think I've just trodden in its crap.
We tried everything we could. Now it's time to eat it.
The sheep is stuck in the feeder.
It's going to push it against the cage. Lower it right down onto the back. Not pushing it. Right. Okay, let's try that. That's stupid. That's it.
Out you get.
There we go. Beautiful. Save sheet. One save sheet, one rescue.
Sorry, farmer. So I think you said come up.
What's that about
It's got climb, that, isn't it? Diff lock it just in case.
Yeah, a couple of deserts now. So, what do you see more of, Toyotas or Land Rovers? Cross axle.
I think you want to go high, Dane.
Boring.
Okay then.
Eh?
Okay then.
Oh, I thought you were telling me to.
No, you can do what you want. Danny. Oh, I see what he's doing. Why didn't he do that in the first place?
Or was he trying to climb out too early?
Yeah, I think he was. He tried going over that bump instead of just following the rut. That's it. Keep going. That's it. Beautiful. Back it up a tad. Oh,